Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming exactly which device and OS you're using, because settings differ. Once done, check physical keys, clean them and hold power plus volume to see if they are stuck, since a jammed button will raise volume regardless of software. Next, open sound or accessibility settings and note the active profile and any connected Bluetooth or wired accessories. These can override controls. Make sure to record current values so you can revert if needed. Now tackle software. Disable adaptive volume, smart sound, or adaptive audio features that auto-raise levels based on environment. Then check apps that request audio focus, media, navigation, or caller enhancement tools, and revoke their special permissions if they auto-increase sound. Use the equalizer or system audio mixer to reduce gain and set a maximum output. This prevents spikes. If available, enable a volume limit or set a fixed media volume so apps can't boost above your chosen cap. Finish by restarting the device to apply changes, then test using several sources, streaming, stored files, and calls, to confirm the volume stays steady. If the problem persists, back up data and consider a factory reset, but only after exhausting settings and hardware checks. This clears corrupted profiles. If that still fails, check for firmware or driver updates and contact manufacturer support. Often intermittent auto volume stems from bad firmware or a failing component, so professional repair may be required.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.